Hello my friends, welcome to this last video of the little series showing you how to repair a kitchen cupboard which is in a very bad shape. We've already put straight a board inside the cupboard, we've already fixed the drawer, and in the present video I will show you how to give a radiance boost to the plinths at the bottom. So for being honest, I don't know if I have to name this video how to give a radiance boost to plinth or name it everything what can happen worse in using glue within a cartridge. If you want to see the opposite case where everything is going well, don't hesitate to join the video about repairing a flap below a bathtub. In any case, even though it will be difficult, we are using the principle of perseverance and it will not be a problem. Let's go! So for the plinth, we are quite lucky here because there's a certain depth on the side which is giving space enough for placing a board on top. And then for having it on the second board, two solutions. First solution is to make some holes and then screw it. And the second option is to take some glue, and this is what we'll be doing because it's giving a better result. So now I took a board which I already cut to the right width. So let's see if it enters. No, it's slightly too long. So in this case, I will cut the missing millimeters and then we should be good. So now I cut the couple of excess millimeters and now we are checking if it's entering correctly. So now we're putting some glue points on each of the sides, and for this we're using glue. I take this opportunity for reminding you that this video has not been sponsored. This one is broken. So in case the glue is not coming out, it's because it's dry inside the pipe, so you have to cut progressively more and more of the pipe. Finally, I had to cut the pipe because the glue was totally dry, so it will be doing the job like this. So for placing it, I'm putting these cal. And we know why. And then you push as much as you can. So we let it dry a little bit. In the meanwhile, we can do the other side. And one little comment, you see here, this is the back of the cut, which is not very nice. So we're making sure that the nice cut is in the front. And in case you have some imperfections, make sure that these are towards the top because it's less visible. And you see here, by the way, these are remains from other operations, among which the last one being how to move luggage on the top of your car with a pallet. can see here on this board that the cut is nicer on the bottom, so I'm putting the nice cut on the bottom because it's more visible. That's it, my friends. Now everything is okay. We have really very solid shelves. Now it can be charged as much as you want. So if you want to see how they were before. For the doors, it's a little bit another issue. Here, the charnières are broken. And the problem with the doors is that you need nice sides on the four sides. So this here is difficult to do with a recovery wood. And you see also the plinth. This may be a detail, but it's changing a lot. So if you want to see how they were before. And this is really, with a little effort, we have a result which is changing a lot the visual of the kitchen. That's it, my friends. Now we have very solid shelves. The drawer is working again. It's even charged, so the solution worked. I hope that you like this video. I hope it will help you to improve the look and feel of your kitchen. And you've probably noticed that in the meanwhile, my neighbor has removed this aspiration device for the kitchen, which generated a hole in the wall, and that will be the subject of the next video, which is how to repair a hole in the wall and leaving all the cold air entering inside. So see you in a second on Happy Hour TV 1.